Did you know that recognizing sarcasm is a challenge for almost 50% of people? This problem becomes even more pronounced in the context of news headlines, where sarcasm can have significant implications for public opinion and political discourse. The challenges for sarcasm detection in news headlines include context, tone, subjectivity, and volume of data. Models need to rely on other linguistic cues such as vocabulary, syntax, and punctuation to identify sarcasm, which may not always be accurate. AITS engineers have developed a low-code platform that uses TinyML and cAInvas to detect sarcasm in news headlines. TinyML is a platform for building machine learning models on low-power devices such as microcontrollers. cAInvas provides a range of AI and ML tools and services for developers and researchers. Using this solution allows for real-time sarcasm detection in news headlines, improving public opinion and political discourse. The trained model could be deployed to a TinyML device, such as a microcontroller, providing a powerful platform for building and deploying machine learning models. Detecting sarcasm in news headlines is a challenging problem, but the solution proposed by AITS engineers using TinyML and cAInvas provides a powerful platform for sarcasm detection. Sign up for free at canvas.aitech.systems for more information. Following URLs are referred to in this video. Check the description for the links. Contact us.